Alright, I am super bullish on Shiba Inu. I reckon Shiba Inu will do like nearly 30 plus 1,000%, and I'll show you all in this video. Right guys, I am super bullish on Shiba Inu. I reckon we can still quite easily do another 30,000 percent or even more. That is simply because we got the token burns, and it's been burning so much as of late, like nearly, I think, 80 trillion plus the 120 trillion, which means the supply and demand for this token will be absolutely insane. I wouldn't be surprised if we head up to that 1 cent mark. As we can see so far with Shiba Inu, that we've been blasting our way right to the top, and now we found a way staircasing our way down. But as you noticed here, that we have in fact created bottom. We pumped up, we came back down, so that means now this is a lower bottom, this is a lower high. If we continue here and break above this white support line, then we should quite easily retest the very top of this move right up here. However, I've already took the liberty to measure this move up here. Well, not quite actually. Let me do it again. So I could do like an accurate trend line. Here we are. Once we do break up around these sort of levels, we should be expecting to at least come as close to the last all-time highs. And once we do break up today, guys, we're going to be in a super bullish area, because now we're going to be between these zones from here to there. Ultimately, it should take us back up to the last all-time highs, which I've measured from the body of the candle rather than from the wick, and that would be around about an extra 195% move to that area. Guys, this would be a solid move for Shiba Inu, and then we should be able to get away into price discovery. I don't know how you all feel about Shiba Inu, but for me, I am super bullish. I'm more bullish with Shiba Inu than I am with Bonk and all the rest of the dog memes that's out there. One, because of the tokens burns. Secondly, I believe they have few use cases coming in for Shiba Inu, which means the sky is only the limit. Come back to the screen over here, just so I can pull out the measuring tool to show you exactly where I reckon Shiba Inu will end. If I was to measure it from the area that I reckon that we should be breaking out from at some point, it doesn't have to be today or tomorrow, but the moment we break out from here, we should be extremely bullish. And then I reckon once we do blast our way up, we might come to at first roughly around about 0.5% to see how we react to this zone. And from the current price to the 0.5% move, it will give us around about 16,000% move to the upside. However, I'll be targeting at 1 cent personally, because I reckon we could even get, much higher than the 1 cent mark, and that will give us roughly around about between 37 to 38,000% move to the upside. Guys, this is absolutely insane. I am getting super excited here. I don't know, guys, do you think I'm overly excited? Am I being wishful, or am I just blatantly dreaming for a big move for Shiba Inu? But hopefully you guys will let me know in the comments whether you are ultra bullish or whether you're not. If you hold the Shiba, how many coins are you holding? Because I'd like to know, guys, because I've been stacking up on Shiba Inu like crazy around about the sort of region over here. The second it blasts up, I was so happy, because I can just imagine that we'll be testing all new highs soon. Well, at least in the next few months. When we came back down around about here to create this bull flag, I've actually added more to my bags over here. And as we sort of start to range and look like that we might even be able to break up, I'm just waiting to add a lot more to my bags over here. In fact, guys, I have two strategies for Shiba Inu. Alright guys, we are at my Patreon page. So guys, if you are interested, I do have a 3-tier membership. I will have a 4th one coming out soon. If you'd like to go for my popular tiered membership, which will be the Total Crypto 23 Trading Coach, where you only pay £17, in dollars is about 20. This is where I'll teach you how to trade more profitably with strong risk management and also increase in your winnability with a 2-step simple trading style. So simple that you can learn everything within one session with me, and that session consists of 1 hour full practice on a live demo account. There is no money involved because I want to make sure I help you to first be able to trade profitably on a live demo account, and then once you're ready to take that step where you trade on your own with real life money, I'd always advise you to only use money that you're willing risk to lose. However, make sure it's low enough because there's really low entry for you to get into your first trade, and on top of that you will build your confidence in trading, especially your psychological confidence in actual taking trades. So if you find that useful guys, you can actually go over to my most popular membership, or if you're quite hesitant to do everything on your own, I'm going to shortly have a new 4th tier membership where I'll give you the trade signals and calls. That will be out soon. So if you are interested guys, just do me one favor, just make sure you give me a like and also leave that in the comments, and then let's head back to the video. Strategy number 1 is hodl. The hodling game for me for Shiba Inu is what going to give me crazy returns, almost just like the same strategy that I use to get me like in a pretty decent returns in the last bull cycle. Second reason, or second strategy, is essentially once we do break up from the zone up here, I'll be looking for an intraday trade by using the leverage. I might use maybe 4, 5 or even 6x leverage, because from where we are to at least the last all-time highs, that will give me at least 900, or it would be roughly around about 900, and so not 900, 193, 195% move to the upside. So that times even 6, guys, that's pretty decent move to begin with. But I might even hold it out for the longer haul actually, because once we do break above this level here, we will get into a price discovery, and that would be a wow moment, and I cannot wait to see that come to fruition at some point. That's why I'm willing to take some risk in this. But either way, even once we do come up breaking above this first resistance line, if I'm still in my trade, then that's great. If we don't pounce our way back up to our near all-time high and we sort of go in sideways a little bit, I might still take some profit. And if I do, then I might consider adding it as part of my holding portfolio, because at least I would have been up by 74% from the current price all the way up to this level up here. That times 6 will give me quite a decent returns in general. But anyway guys, you let me know, am I crazy thinking that we might get up to like 37,000% move to the upside, or do you think Shiba Inu is dead? Just let me know in the comments. So I'm going to leave it here. Once again, thank you very much for tuning into Total Crypto. I hope I do see you all in my next video. So if you haven't done so already guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be updated with all my latest content. And if you haven't subscribed to me right over here, just subscribe right now. And if you haven't checked out my last 2 big videos, go check them out here and there, and I'll see you all in the next one.